Hey everyone, welcome to D Technophiles. Today we are gonna talk about OnePlus 8 Pro. This is what you will get when you unbox OnePlus 8 Pro. Starting from the design, it's new, it's better, and it's beautiful compared to the previous version. These are the three options you're gonna get: Glacial Green, Onyx Black, and Ultramarine Blue. Coming to the display, it gives you QHD Plus display, which is faster, smoother, and seamless experience ever with 120 FPS. The phone has 120Hz refresh rate, which is convertible to 60Hz as per your convenience. This new MEMC technology, your videos will come to life. There is no headphone jack, you need to buy wireless headphones. This is slim, but the camera bumps out, which makes it annoying on the flat surface. On screen, there is a punch hole camera, which is 3.8mm small. Made it IP68 certified, which means this phone is water and dust resistant. Speaking about operating system, it works on Oxygen OS software, which is based on Android 10. Now this is the price range of OnePlus 8 Pro. Now this is the new wireless fast charger, which will charge your phone from 1% to 50% within 30 minutes. Comes with 4510 mAh battery life. It has in-display fingerprint sensor and Face ID. Let's talk about cameras. 8 megapixel hybrid zoom camera, 48 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, 48 megapixel main camera, 5 megapixel filter camera, and a dual flash. With 8 megapixel camera acts as 3x telephoto camera. Sensors help you get better video quality. Having them, you can shoot videos like pro. The extra details you want to know. Rear camera has Sony IMX6 sensor, 8 megapixel telephoto lens, and ultra wide angle lens of 48 megapixel. Now this is something new, a color filter lens of 5 megapixel, which will give you a real lens changing experience with a better image quality. Now paying this price ranges, what are you actually getting? Let's jump into that thing. You're getting a 6.78 inches display, all the details are down there, a seamless, a better viewing experience, and a beautiful display, flagship processor, which will give you the best and better gaming performance, also helping you speed up your apps. It has Android 10 operating system and Oxygen OS software, which is based on Android 10. It comes with 8 or 12GB LPDDR5 RAM, 128 or 256GB UFS 3.0 storage. Some of the points we discussed previously are in the one place so that you can view them at once. Now let's see how the speakers work. It also has MEMC technology. And at that price range, they're also giving you 120Hz QHD plus fluid display. 6.78 inches AMOLED screen with 4096 levels of automatic brightness control and JNCD, which will give you the realistic colors. You can record a 4K video at 30 or 60 FPS. These are all the sensors in OnePlus 8 Pro. The dimensions of OnePlus 8 Pro. R5 improves speed by 30%, consuming 20% less charging. Having Fanatic mode on, nothing can disturb you while gaming. Switching between the apps is so easy. You can just swipe and change the apps. Some of the Google apps on OnePlus 8 Pro. Welcome to the dark mode where you will see your apps coming to the live. They look so beautiful, they look so nice. There is also a feature for customization where you can make your app looks the way you want them to look. You can also share your files from your older device to the new ones. Color, material, finish. Combining all together, this is how beautiful OnePlus 8 Pro looks. To know more about OnePlus 8 Pro, the link is in the description below. That's it for today. This is D Technophile. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up, do comment. Also, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also click the bell icon for more updates and videos like this. Thanks for watching.